Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a black and white to color video on CapCut. Now before I do start this video, you do need a picture that is in color. It's just going to turn it from black and white to color on CapCut. So click on the project and then select effects, go to video effects, and you are going to go to basic. Then you are going to go down and you're going to find black and white to color. If you want the version where it goes from color to black and white, it's this one. But if you want it the other way around, it's this one. So press to color and then you can adjust the speed. This makes the transition quicker and this makes it slower, as you can see. And then once you're done, you're just going to press the check mark button. And that is basically it. Super duper simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!